Oh no! No! No, not again! No! Hi, my name is Zoltan. I'm a freelance photographer and I've got a very useful tip for you. If you are a YouTuber, content creator, photographer, videographer and you're shooting on location where battery life is very crucial, you don't want to go through 3, 4, 5 whatever amount of batteries or have a really heavy grip which is basically obstructing getting to your battery door, or it's just heavy, it's bulky. You need something constant and there is a solution for that. Banggood or maybe eBay or somewhere, I think Banggood still do it. Basically this is a constant power supply. I'm recording this on a 5D Mark III at the moment, but I'm sure it will work with 5D Mark IVs, the double digit EOS series such as 60D, 80D, 70D, 90D. I know it may sound a bit ancient to use these cameras, but for YouTube 1080p it's fine. So therefore you have this box where you have a power adapter which will connect together. Figure of 8 connector will go to one side, and then you got a connector jack that will go together like so. And this is dummy battery. Let me get another camera. So to be precise, I'll show you. You have a little rubber here. You click it in. There's a little rubber where you can just get the cable. You have to play a little bit with it, but you get the points. Basically that goes in there and it's a constant power supply. Now I go through these batteries at a wedding easily, 6, 8 of them. So you use at least one for an hour. And when you're recording video, there's a lot of processing going on. So it will drain your batteries half an hour, 40 minutes. If you switch it on and off, it's fine. But let's say you're talking to the camera and you want to record lots of series in one day. You just simply cannot recharge these batteries and turn them around fast enough. Well, you can keep switching on and off, but this is the way to go. If you have a standard local setup and you use it every day with the same camera, it's all set, it's all in the same place. You just plug this in, leave it on there, leave the camera even on a wall or on a tripod, and you can create content every day and it's going to work all the time. I'm not sure about the price. I think I picked 2 of these up for about £15, maybe $10 to $12. Hopefully you can find them on the internet, but I got them from Banggood. I hope it helps. If you like my tip, give me a like, subscribe. If not, it's up to you. Thanks for watching.